A massive cargo ship cutting through heavy ocean waves represents the final step of an immense physical journey, one that starts with nothing more than a fragile preliminary sketch on paper and ends with hundreds of handcrafted goods bound for international waters. To cross that ocean, a product has to survive a dense gauntlet of operational phases, multi-step design revisions, coordinating sample approvals across offices, and sourcing materials across time zones. Companies attempt to manage this chaos using complex line-item spreadsheets. While excellent for raw numbers, a grid-like data matrix quickly collapses under its own weight when mapping operational flow from point A to B. When that matrix gets too dense, a single buried update or a misread row causes a cascading failure. One outdated cell can delay shipments or ruin correctly produced units.